Welcome everyone to our latest tutorial on how to turn off Facebook app Playback on your Android device. If you're tired of videos automatically playing on your feed and draining your data, follow these simple steps to disable this feature. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down until you find the Apps option and tap on it. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll through the list until you find the Facebook app. Tap on it to open the app settings. Here, you will see various options related to the app's permissions and settings. Look for the Appear on Top option and tap on it. This is where you can control whether videos autoplay on your feed. Finally, you will see the option to Allow Permission. Simply toggle this off to turn off the autoplay feature. This will prevent videos from playing automatically when you scroll through your Facebook feed. And there you have it. By following these quick and easy steps, you can save data and have more control over your Facebook experience. Enjoy a more personalized browsing experience on Facebook without unwanted autoplay videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.